take a seat right in that car. You'll put your foot on the brake. Mitch Emery just won an Ioniq 6. You're the winner of the 2024 Hyundai Hands on Hope contest. First time in our history where the first person actually won the car. Mitch Emery from Children's National has won this Hyundai Ioniq 6 EV. And the great thing about all these contestants is, yeah, it'll be wonderful to win a car, but I'm really here to put an end to pediatric cancer research. They all embody that. Mitch, we couldn't be more happy for you on behalf of the Washington area Hyundai dealers. Congratulations. These individuals behind me have been on this car for 44 hours since Friday evening. And they only get a break every 3 hours, but yes, they did sleep there. They had to remain in constant contact with that car. And one of them, very soon, is going to win this brand new 2024 Ioniq 6 EV. Even better, we're gonna give away $100,000 of pediatric cancer research grants, $60,000 to the winning hospital, and $40,000 to the winning hospital.